Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's begin the class by reciting Kitab Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Rahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, we have go through from the ledger transferred to the trial balance. Okay, now we move to the preparation of statement of profit or loss and statement of financial position. Okay. Basically, you should be able to extract from the ledger balances into trial balance, which you have done in the previous session. Now we want to prepare financial statement without adjustment, okay, or with minimum adjustment, with closing inventory perhaps. Okay, the purpose of trial balance is to ensure that in the business bookkeeping system are mathematically correct, to detect any error and to assist the preparation of financial statement. Okay, this is what we have done in the previous session. Okay, I would like to go to the next one. Then you have close of the account, where you find out the balance carried down, and also you found out the balance brought down, which this one will be transferred to the trial balance. Okay, after you have done the trial balance, next is the preparation of the statement of profit or loss and statement of financial position. Okay, for the statement of profit or loss, or also known as SOPL, we want to mesh between revenue and expenses. Means that in statement of profit or loss, only two items will appear in the profit statement of profit or loss, which is revenue and expenses, in which we will calculate gross profit or loss and net profit or loss, which divided into two parts. Okay, the next one is we want to prepare statement of financial position, or SOFP, in which we want to look at the assets, owner's equity and liabilities as at the end of the period. Okay, we will go through Muhibah Cake House example afterwards. Okay, but we look at this format first. Okay, so this is the format. We start with we can see we divided statement of profit loss into two parts. The first part, we want to find out the gross profit. Okay, gross profit or loss. Okay, to find the gross profit, we start with the sales less sales return or return inwards. Sorry for that. Less discount allowed, we get a net sales. Okay, net sales, this one. Then we find out the cost of sales, or also known as cost of goods sold. Okay, we start with opening inventory, add purchases, less purchases return or return one moment, or return outwards. Sorry for that. Return outwards. Then also less discount received, less carriage inwards. Okay, carriage inwards and carriage outwards both are expenses. If you find doubt here, carriage inwards and carriage outwards both are expenses, but carriage inwards we will deduct in the first part under purchases, because carriage inwards is related to purchases. This one is related to purchases. Which part of cost of purchases? Okay, carriage inward ni apa? Carriage inward ni bila kita beli barang, kita kena ambil barang tu dekat supplier contohnya. Okay, so apa carriage inward? lori yang kita sewa, minyak, tool dan sebagainya. That one is carriage inwards. Ataupun postage pun boleh. Kalau kita beli barang, we bought goods, beli stock, supplier hantar barang, tapi kita kena bayar postage ataupun courier cost tu kita kena bayar. Itu ialah carriage inwards. Carriage inward we have to include under cost of purchases. That's why dia masuk dalam cost of sales. Sebab ia sebahagian daripada cost jualan. Okay. And then also duty on purchases we have to deduct here. Duty on purchases ni contohnya import duty. Bila kita import daripada overseas, kita kena bayar cukai. We have to pay for the duty excise ataupun cukai. And then insurance on purchase, sometimes kalau benda yang mahal macam emas, okay, kita akan ada insurance in transit. Sementara nak bawa daripada supplier, daripada supplier nak sampai kepada kita, okay, on the way tu kita ada insurance, takut apa-apa jadi, okay. Yang tu pun kita insurance on purchase we will include include in under the cost of sales, okay. Tapi kalau dia kata hanya insurance, dia tak kata insurance on purchase, kita akan tolak di bawah under expenses, under operating expenses. Kalau dia kata insurance on purchase, baru kita masuk di atas. Okay. And then we add opening inventory, add purchases, less return outwards, less discount received, add carriage inwards, cash, add duty on purchase, add insurance on purchase. Kita akan dapat cost of goods available for sale. And then we less closing inventory. Kalau ada ya, biasanya closing inventory ni dia tak ada dalam trial balance, dia di luar. Okay, closing inventory dia akan masuk di dua tempat. Dia akan masuk dalam statement of profit or loss. Kita tolak dalam under cost of sales, dan dia juga akan masuk dalam current asset. Yang ni dia masuk dua kali ya. Closing inventory dia akan masuk dua kali. Maksudnya yang ni ialah debit, kita add kan sebagai asset. Yang satu lagi tadi, yang satu lagi tadi ialah, yang ni ialah credit lah. Yang ni ialah credit. Maksudnya bila ada benda yang di luar daripada trial balance, mesti ada debit and credit. So bila closing inventory tu di luar daripada trial balance, dah habis trial balance, dia akan ada bagi tahu last kali ya. As at the end of the period, the total inventory is berapa. So kita akan debit closing inventory under current asset and credit closing inventory under cost of sales. Okay. And then kita akan dapat total. Total ni kita akan tolak net sales minus cost of sales ataupun cost of goods sold, kita akan dapat gross profit. Okay. The second part will be other income and expenses. Okay. Other income kita akan campur add other income, rent receive, commission receive, interest receive, biasanya yang itulah. Biasanya on credit side lah, revenue kita akan campurkan. Then we less operating expenses, which is including salaries, wages. Salaries ni gaji, wages ni upah beza Salaries ni bayar bulan-bulan, wages ni bayar ikut pekerjaan lah, ikut jam dan sebagainya. Then insurance, printing and stationery, rent expenses, interest expense and carriage outwards. We get the total expenses. Then we take gross profit, add revenues, less expenses, kita akan dapat net profit. Net profit ni kita akan bawa ke dalam statement of financial position under your owner's equity kita akan campur balik net profit or loss. Okay, yang ni net profit. Net profit yang kita cari tadi kita akan campur di sini. Okay, as for statement of financial position, dia ada dua bahagian juga Okay, dia ada dua bahagian juga. Bahagian atas ni asset, non-current asset. Sorry for that. Non-current asset and current asset, dua. Non-current asset ni format dia akan ada 3 kolom. Dia ada cost, accumulated depreciation and carrying amount. Okay, so non-current asset including land and building, features and fitting, office equipment, machinery, motor vehicles. Okay, yang ni non-current asset. Sometimes ada juga non-current asset dalam bentuk investment. Contohnya fixed deposit. Kalau fixed deposit dia akan masuk bawah daripada ni dia letak satu di sini. Okay, katakan fixed deposit fixed deposit. Okay, kita akan letak di bawah. Okay, saya akan bagi contoh nanti kemudian. Okay, so kita akan tengok cost less, this one less accumulated depreciation, susut nilai terkumpul, dan kita akan dapat carrying amount to reflect to the current amount. Okay, kalau awak masih ingat, all expenses, revenue and assets must be recorded on cost, tapi to reflect to the current amount, kita tolak accumulated depreciation. Okay, and then under non-current asset ada current asset. Current asset inventory tadi, account receivable less allowance for doubtful debt. Yang ni saya akan terangkan kemudian Yang ni hutang ragu. Okay, ataupun something that kita panggil orang yang liat nak bayar hutang Okay, and then cash at bank, ataupun saya suka panggil bank je, and then cash in hand, prepaid expenses and accrued income. Yang ni pun saya akan terangkan kemudian. This is under adjustment. After that, we total up all the asset, we get a figure. Figure ni sepatutnya balance dengan figure di bawah nanti under current liabilities, under liabilities and owner's equity. Okay, on the second part kita ada it will be financed, the non-current asset and current asset will be financed by owner's equity and liabilities. Okay, so owner's equity kita start dengan capital asset beginning of the year yang ada dalam trial balance, add net profit less drawings, kita akan dapat ending capital. This one is ending capital, modal hujung tahun. Okay, ending capital. Okay, and then we add non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities biasanya long term loan long term loan, mortgage loan ataupun leasing, and then hire purchase. Okay, yang ni non-current liability that to be repaid more than 1 year. Okay, current liabilities. Okay, kita ada this one is short term loan short term loan, and then bank overdraft. Yang ni pun bila bank kita negatif, yang tu dipanggil bank overdraft. Bank overdraft ni facilities given by the bank untuk kita guna duit lebih daripada apa yang kita ada. Maksudnya indirectly duit dalam bank akan ada negatif, tapi untuk jangka masa yang pendek sebulan, 2 bulan atau 3 bulan, depends on the bank term and condition. Okay, and then also accounts payable, accrued expenses and income received in advance. These two I'll be explained later in the adjustment. Okay, therefore kita akan dapat total amount. This one should be balanced, these two should be balanced. Okay, so with that I stop here. We end the class. If anything you want to ask, you can direct message to me, or you can ask in the WhatsApp group or in the Google Classroom. Okay, see you soon. We end the class by reciting al-inshirah and tasbih kifarah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fa inna ma subhanallah wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.